Hey there friends, how's it going? My name is MZ. Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to tell you that last weekend I upgraded the World Saver graphic cards, the World Savers graphic card into one of these. This is a medium spec graphic card from 2012. It is an AMD HD 7870 GHz edition. It is the first generation of groundbreaking GPUs with core clocks above 1 GHz, and yes, I just read it from the box. Right. So, how much of an improvement do I make? Well, as the CPU user benchmark said, or the GPU user benchmark, it said I have a 22% of improvement in my PC on my system. So the video will be much better in color and editing because I have more VRAM than I used to have on the GTX 560 Ti. But how much FPS do I get? So do I gain? How much FPS do I gain from this? So let's find out, shall we? And as always, please consider subscribing and like the video if you like it, and dislike it if you don't like it, and comment below if you have anything to say. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, so as you can see, the GPU performed better than I thought it was, but I mean, benchmark never lies, isn't it? It's a fact. So, is it worth it to upgrade the GPU to an HD 7870, which costs $40? Well, yes, it is. As my friend said that AMD is bad or something like that, negative talk about AMD, well, they must be wrong. Because here's the fact. AMD made a lot cheaper graphic cards than GTX, because GTX is much more target on a high spec graphic card rather than a medium spec. And AMD has a lot of feature too. It have a it is. It can do AMD FreeSync, I think. Yeah, it is. It is indeed. Well, I think this is the end. So consider subscribing below. Don't forget to hit the like button and dislike this video if you don't like it, and comment if you have any question in the comment section below. And as always, peace out. See you next video. Goodbye.